The armpit stretch is the next stretch in the series. On the website, the person is doing it standing at a tall counter. They put their hand there and they sit down into it. Since I don't have a tall counter, and many of you won't, we're going to use a countertop, kitchen counter, table, desk, anything like that. And typically what we're going to do, we're going to come into this position, the hands resting comfortably on the countertop. And so you can understand at this level, if 90 degrees of flexion is parallel with the floor and level with the shoulder, I'm at less than 90 degrees of flexion right now. But as I slide my hips back in the chair and lean forward, this position, if I froze it in time, is the same as this position. So the more horizontal I get, I'm stretching under the arm, I'm stretching the lat, the teres, the musculature that pulls down on the shoulder. But this is also the musculature that restricts overhead reaching. So we'll get down into this position, we'll hold it for a 30-second stretch, we'll take the pressure away, and then we can repeat as indicated.